Hello everyone, let's come back to our English vocabulary class with confused words əkYousiːd and ɪkˈsept. These two words we always confuse with each other. Now let's go and start together. Don't forget to press me a subscribe. Okay, let's start together. Content, preview, vocabulary and practice. Start. She was found guilty on 3 charges of exceeding the speed limit. Here you can see the word exceeding. Look here. Accede means to agree. Accept. In Khmer, you'll pro. Example. I accede to mom wishes. It means I agree with mom wishes. Except means to go beyond. Khmer, look. Example. Don't exceed the speed limit. It means don't go beyond the speed limit. So here the difference between ɪkˈsept and əksept. Can you see the difference? Let's go to practice. Accede or acceded. The final call should not. Which one, everyone? Exceed $5,000. Right? Accede or accede. He graciously acceded to our request. So here the do you have any question? You can write in comment.